Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. You have 15 questions. You have 10 seconds to solve each question. If you require more time, then you can pause the video. Which animal has no brain and heart? Seahorse, octopus, jellyfish, goldfish. Which animal sees with their ears? Bat, cat, rat, hare. Which country's people eat snakes? Spain, China, France, Algeria. Who is called the king of birds? Eagle, dove, swan, crane. Which animal has 32 brains and 300 teeth? Earthworm, snail, leech, crabs. Which is the most intelligent creature on Earth? Dolphin, shark, wolf, monkey. Which animal can see even with closed eyes? Horse, camel, snake, bears. Which animal sleeps with open eyes? Snake, fish, bat, owl. Which animal remains standing even after death? Horse, deer, tiger, camel. How many stomachs does a giraffe have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which land animal has the largest eyes? Ostrich, emu, penguin, elephant. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Lion, zebra, giraffe, elephant. Which animal teeth never stop growing? Rats, elephant, monkey, snakes. Which aquatic animal never stops growing? Whale, shark, seahorse, sea turtles. Which bird can hunt the tiger? Vulture, ostrich, falcon, peacock. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.